Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the loss recovery trader EA for MT4 and MT5. So right from the start, it is important to note that this expert advisor supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page, the EA is developed by Michalis Philactel and is currently listed at a purchase price of 150 US dollars. The version shown here is 12.0, updated on October 6th, 2022. The main purpose of this EA is clearly explained in the description. It is designed to attempt recovery of losing trades using a zone recovery approach. Now, according to the developer, when a trade moves in the wrong direction, the EA begins a recovery sequence using alternating buy and sell positions at predefined levels. The goal is to eventually reach one of two exit points where all positions can be closed together at either a combined profit or break-even result. As I continue through the product page, one thing I like is the flexibility in how the initial trade can be opened. The EA supports manual trades, trades opened through its on-screen panel, trades received from an external EA, and even a built-in moving average option for initiating positions. Right, so moving into the settings, the recovery section is where most of the customization takes place. Traders can define the recovery gap in pips, recovery profit targets, and how recovery lot sizes are calculated. There are several calculation methods available, including fixed profit targets, multiplier-based calculations, and custom lot sizing, right? So risk management is also a major part of the configuration. The EA includes controls for maximum active trades, maximum account profit and loss thresholds, and spread filtering. The spread protection feature is particularly notable because the developer specifically recommends using it to avoid abnormal spread conditions triggering additional recovery trades. Now, there are also optional trailing stop and break-even tools available for the initial trade, along with the moving average setup for those who choose to use the built-in entry method. Now, let's move over to the backtesting section. Let us see this provided information here. Okay, this is showing us zone 150 pips here, 150 pips here, buy trade, sell trade. All right. So now this also shows us robot displays lot sizes and exposure at any stage for risk management purposes. Okay, so we don't exactly have a detailed backtesting report provided here. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA performed over the past 5 months plus. So we are testing the loss recovery trader EA on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and we are testing the EA from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. As for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy. Now, let us quickly look at the results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was 166.91. The total trades taken were 139, out of which 102 were profitable, giving us a 73.38% win rate. And the largest profit was $515, largest loss $522.24. The average profit 20.79, average loss 52.81. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, right? We can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite significant. Okay, and then looking at the drawdown, we can see that the balance drawdown relative is just 0.53%, equity drawdown relative 0.65%. Okay, that's quite okay. Okay, Now, as we review the completed historical testing results, one of the main things that I want to look out for is how the recovery sequence behaved after trades moved into drawdown. Since the EA's core logic revolves around alternating buy and sell positions within a defined recovery zone, the chart activity helps illustrate how the system managed adverse price movement during the tested period. Now, looking through the historical chart behavior, you might often identify clusters of trades, right, forming around the recovery levels described in the documentation. Now, the developer explains that the EA continues managing these positions until one of the predefined exit levels is reached, at which point the entry recovery sequence can be closed. Now, because this type of system depends heavily on recovery settings, lot calculations, gap sizes, and risk controls, I would strongly recommend running your own longer term historical testing as well. Testing across different market conditions can provide a much broader understanding of how the EA behaves over time. Okay. So when reviewing the historical backtest results, it is important to remember that historical testing performance is influenced by factors such as risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. Okay, so historical analysis should never be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. All right. Overall, the loss recovery trader EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a structured recovery based approach with a wide range of configuration options. The flexibility to work with manual trading, external EAs, or its own moving average entry method gives traders several ways to integrate it into their workflow. All right. So, as always, careful testing and risk evaluation are essential before considering live deployment. Now, let's just briefly look at this EA in action just for a very brief moment. I'm just going to turn on the visuals. So, overall, the loss recovery EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a structured recovery based approach with a wide range of configuration options. The flexibility to work with manual trading, external EAs, or its own moving average entry method gives traders several ways to integrate it into their workflow. We can see the dashboard here, and it shows us time, last spread, account balance, account equity, free margin, the MA signal, MA fast, MA slow. You can see these values here. And then for the trading, we can see open buys, open sales, and all of that, right? We can see the EA in action. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.